How to put out fire in Lasty Survival Shooter. So I'll be helping you with that. In this game, if you wanna put out fire or extinguish your fire in your HQ, then you'll simply have to require those concentrated fire fragments. So for example, if you've got those fragments, you can only use it once per day, or there's time limited those fragments, and then you must be using that widely. Of course, what you can do is go to your alliance. In alliance text, you can find at the dominator. You can see there is a concentrated fire extinguisher. So if you can donate, also you can also obtain by donate by after your friends donate it or your allies donate it in your alliance. So you can ask your troop leader, your members, in order to donate it for you, and you can simply use them. So more closer you are to the alliance, you'll be getting those more, and that's how you can extinguish more fire in your HQ. So this is the pretty much way how you can extinguish fire. So it is time limited, use wisely. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.